Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise belongs to Allah and Humaira's growth of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My best wishes and congratulations to all those teachers, students and other people present in this event, organized by the well-known institution Real Concept International Institute, Madrasah, School and College. Dear listeners, today I am going to tell about Madrasah education. As you know that the Islamic Sharia is not very important for every Muslim. The knowledge is gained only in Madrasah education. In our country there are two Muslims, in the Aliyah Nisab, in the Qawmi Nisab. In the Aliyah Nisab are the Holy Quran, Hadith and Fiqh, as well as the general subject of the Lord who created. In the Qawmi Nisab are only the Hadith and Fiqh and thought. In the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say it, read in the name of the Lord who created. All for today, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.